Good morning, dear students. Let's start to solve these exercises. Exercise 1. Complete these sentences with a or an. I am Rakesh Kumar. I am in class 2. I live in a flat with my parents. A flat. F is a consonant sound, so we need to use here a article. My father is an engineer. An engineer. E is a vowel sound, so we have to use an. Now, he works in a factory. F is a consonant sound, so we have to use a article before it. Now, my mother is an architect. An architect. A is a vowel sound, so we need to use an article before it. She works in an office. O of office is a O is a vowel sound, so before that we need to use an article. I have a younger brother. I have a younger brother and an elder sister. Here Y is a consonant, so before that consonant sound we need to use a article, and before the vowel sound means E we have to use an article. Now exercise 2. Complete these sentences with a, an or the. First one. Maya saw an eagle in a cage. Here an eagle. E is a vowel sound, so we need to use an article before it. In a cage. C. A cage. C is a consonant sound, so we have to use a article before it. So next, the eagle escaped from the cage. See, already we talk about in first sentence about the eagle and cage, but when we are going to talk about the same noun in the next sentence, so we need to add we need to write the article. So Maya saw an eagle in a cage. The eagle escaped from the cage. Already we talk about an eagle, a cage. So in second sentence we need to use the article before them. The eagle escaped from the cage. Now I gave a banana to a monkey. A banana. B is a consonant sound. So before that a article we have to use. Now M is a consonant sound. So we need to use a article over here. So I gave a banana to a monkey that belonged to my neighbor. Now third one, the boy who ate the strange fruit complained that it was bitter. Here we have to use the article. The boy who ate the strange fruit and that complained it was bitter. So this way we have to use here the articles. Now I have an apple and an orange in my bag. An apple. A is a vowel sound, so we need to use here an. O is a vowel sound, so we have to use here an article. Now next, Satish is an obedient boy. An obedient. O is a vowel sound, so before that we need to use an article. Sixth one, Tom wrote a letter to his friend. Tom wrote a letter. L is a consonant sound, so we need to use a article before it. Now let's see next. I have a teddy bear. The teddy bear is very soft. A teddy bear. T is a consonant sound, so we need to use a article before that. And in second sentence, same noun. Here the second sentence is about the teddy bear, so we have to use the article before it. The teddy bear is very soft. A rose smells sweet. A rose. R is a consonant sound, so we have to use a article before it. Now exercise 3. Write a, an or the to complete these stories. First, the fox and the grapes. One day an old fox was very hungry. An old fox. O is a vowel sound, so before that we need to use an. He entered a fruit garden. A. Why should we use a article over here? Yes, tell me. Because F, correct, F is a consonant sound. So before that we need to use a article. Okay, he entered a fruit garden and saw a bunch of grapes. A bunch of grapes. B, B is a consonant sound, so we have to use a article. Okay, now he wanted to eat them. He jumped to reach the grapes. Already we talk about the grapes. So in second time we need to use the grapes. But he failed. He tried many times. In the end he got tired. He said to himself, the grapes are sour. Then he left the garden. Now second story, the hare and the tortoise. Once a hare and a tortoise. H for hare, H is a consonant sound, and T is also consonant sound. So before that we need to use a article. Once a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. R is a consonant sound. So before that we need to use a. A race up to an old tree. An old tree. O is a vowel. Vowel sound. So we need to use an. The race began. Again we are discussing about race because a race, we have seen this race already. We have talked about this race. Now in second time when we are talking we need to use the article. The race began. The tortoise moved slowly, but the hare ran fast. He left the tortoise far behind. Here the article we have to use because already we talk about this tortoise and hare. So for the second time we need to use the article over there. He left the tortoise far behind. Then he stopped and he slept near a bush. B is a consonant sound, so we need to use a article over there. The tortoise kept moving towards the tree. When the hare woke up, the tortoise was near the tree. The tortoise reached the tree first and he won the race. So this way, dear students, we learnt about articles a and or the. So this way we have to use these articles. I hope my dear students you understood. Thank you and have a nice day.